like what to call our people that love us. Like, are you moon people? What are you guys? You moon people?
Moonrisers?
Are you moonrisers? Are those of you who are drinking moonshiners?
Cartel. Someone just said, I'm a cartel member.
Yeah, you guys are cartel members. There you go. We play this song for our mothers. I'm missing my mom. She's missing hers. And if you're missing yours, this song is for her as well. And it's called Hurricane Wind. Yesterday the world was light as a feather. Everything was so alive, filled with color. It'll pass you by, the innocence of time. 'Cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. And then one day you'll meet a girl, she'll drive you crazy. The sun will rise in her eyes, she'll make you dizzy. And for a while that's nice, but love gets sacrificed. 'Cause boys turn to men like hurricane wind. Like hurricane wind. You'll never know a love that grows like mother. She'll keep you safe for all your days, even when you're older. But now Mom stays in heaven's grace as the boys turn to men like hurricane wind. Hurricane wind, like hurricane wind, hurricane wind, hurricane.
Thank you so much, you guys.
We got a few more for you. We got a few more for you.
Yeah.
The song is about playing dangerous games. Anybody play dangerous games in here? Like Sorry, Candyland?
Parcheesi can get pretty vicious.
And I got this feeling I can't shake as we drive these interstate lines. Things will never be the same. And strangely, the only way to change things is to take the battling depression for the sake of self-expression. I play with fire every time. And night comes. A thousand lights they shine on. The waking colors sky spun. Wonder what they say. In the midnight rainbow, from the places I fall. Oh, you're dancing in the sun, ripped jeans and t-shirt on and on. And I feel free. Come on, shout O'Reilly. We're a jam band. We're not a rock band, we're a jam band.